and we're having oatmeal with almond nuts, coconut milk, and dates. This is oats. This oats is a grain, it's a type of cereal. You can call grain cereal. The two words are used for they're used interchangeably. Put a little water in a bowl and pour your oats. Mix very well. You can add a little salt. Mix very well. Then boil water, just the same way you make pap. Boil some water, and then the oats that has formed a paste with the cool water. When the water is boiled, add the oats and stir until you have the level of consistency of the porridge you want. This oat is packed full of nutrients, several nutrients. Do you know that among all the cereals, oats has the highest amount of protein? Wow. So if you are looking for a cereal that is filling, that has a lot of protein, that is oats. Just choose oats. It also has a lot of fiber. That's why people who want to lose weight tend to eat oats regularly. But please note that the type of oats that is better, that has more fiber, is the old-fashioned oats. That's the one that's the whole grain. It's not refined white oats. So we're encouraging you to take the old-fashioned oats, the whole grain. That's the type that you need to soak in water for some minutes before you now put in hot water to stir. So when the oats doesn't take much time to get ready. Just within 5 minutes, it bubbles and it's ready. Turn off the heat and add dates. This is dates. Remove the seed of the dates. Blend with a little water. You can soak it for about 10 minutes so that it's soft and it's easy to prepare. This date is a sweetener and we add it to food instead of sugar. It's very sweet. It's going to make your oats to be sweet and more interesting without giving you the disadvantages of sugar. Add the paste of the dates to the oats and then add almond milk. Oh wow, very delicious. Almond milk or coconut milk, anyone that is available, you can add to it and enjoy. This is almond nuts. These almond nuts can also be chunked and added to the meal. That's going to give you extra protein. Almond is full of protein. It's alkaline forming. It's a nut that is packed full of several nutrients, and the amount of protein is very high. One thing I find interesting about this nut is that it's very versatile. Wow. It can be used to make flour, and that flour can be used for baking just the same way you used wheat flour. You can also use almond flour. So because it's very versatile, it makes almond to be very useful in your kitchen. But for today, we're using it as nuts in the cereal. So you can just chunk the almond nuts, add it to the oatmeal, and enjoy it with coconut or almond milk. Enjoy your breakfast.
Enjoy.
Okay, this is day 19 breakfast. We are having oatmeal with almond nut. But we're supposed to use walnut, but we have almond nut, and also we also combine with cashew nut. You can use any nut of your choice for this porridge we are going to make. Then I also have cinnamon powder, date, and coconut milk just to make my porridge go yummy, yummy, yummy. I have water here, so the water is boiled already. I'm going to have the oatmeal straight here to allow it to steam. While steaming, I'm going to stir it on the light. Take the light down to medium heat. Then allow it to cook. Let it dissolve properly. While cooking, at this point, I'm going to add my coconut milk, very little, to make it tasty. So don't overcook your milk. and also your oatmeal. So at this point, I'm going to off the light completely because it's ready. The heat inside is enough for me to add my sweetener, which is the date paste. Is grounded paste. Have been soaked for overnight and the seed already been removed. So I'm going to add this into my porridge, oatmeal porridge, to make it yummy. At this point, I'm going to add maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons of grounded dates for the sweetener. Wow. So let me serve myself. The oatmeal is ready. This is the porridge. Or you can call it the pap. But pap is almost smooth, but this one is porridge. That's why it's not smooth. It's rugged form, rough form. So for my porridge, I'm going to serve myself with, first of all, let me take some nut. Use some nut. That's a cashew nut. And also some almond nut. Then take a spoon of this and drop it straight. This is fantastic. Enjoy. Thank you.